non-infinitive verb form C kan zir lai zir tur ronum kan ni a maro chu I em zir tur hi chuanin finite verb ka inge ni le non-finite verb te chu engting nge an ni kan sha chana nga yawang khanin ama cha in kan soi fia phutanga ama cha bera chuan finite verb te chu verb a subject ka zira in thla dang lam thin ho kha finite verb kan ti chu ania verb te chu engting nge in thla dang lam thin kan ti chuan ama cha bera chuan as per tense a tense a zir khanin eng tense nge ani a zir khanin verb kha kan thla dang lam thin ani mo finite verb a chuanin a tense a zir khan verb kha in thla dang lam thina tense a chuanin chi thum kan nei ta a tro present tense te past tense te future tense te kan nei ta a chuanin ngai helai example hian in ta ula I eat an apple ti present tense ania tro hi first form of the verb kan ti ka eat hi verb ania thil ti soina kha ania chuanin present tense a chuan I eat an apple kha past tense alo ni chuan I ate an apple alo ni ta ni mo eta present tense eat kha past tense a chuan ate alo in thla dang lam ta ni chu mo chuanin future tense ani chuanin I will eat an apple ani thunganga so a verb kha a tense zir khan in thla dang lam zel chu present tense eat kha past tense a chuan ate ania future tense ani chuan will eat alo ni le anga khatiang a tense zira verb in thla dang lam thin hawa kha finite verb kan ti chu ania chuanin apani na chuanin as per person a person zir khanin verb kha in thla dang lam thin bok ani mo person kan ti chuanin first person le second person kan nei le third person kan nei a tro first person chu thil soi tu thil soi tu kha ani kan tia second person chu kan thil soi lo ngai kha tu third person ani chuanin a chanchin kan va soya te kha ani kan tia tro chuanin subject kha eng person nge subject chu sentence a chuan subject verb object kan nei china subject chu thil ti tu kha ani kan tia o subject chu a thil ti tu ber kha ania kha subject kha eng person nge ani a zir kha din verb kha adang lam chin ani mo ta hian in ta ula he likes running in marathons he third person ani a so wang chuan in third person singular number ani a so wang chuan verb khan likes kha kan hmang ani tro es kha kan bel china third person singular number ani chuan in he likes running in marathons ti kha heta I first person alo ni thung ero chuanin I like running in marathons kan ti thung ani mo a person subject ka eng person nge ani azir khan verb hi adang lam hi mo in mo nga heta chuanin es atela heta chuanin hi es kha atel lo thunga tero chuanin a person azir khan subject ka eng person nge ani azir khan helai verb kha alo dang lam thin ani mo finite verb a chuan a pathum na chuanin as per number a number azir khanin subject kha eng number nge ani singular number nge ani a plural number ani azir khanin verb kha alo dang lam le chin bok ani mo chu hi chu singular number ani a tero mi pakhat chau soina kha ani a so wang chuan verb khan is kan hmanga heta thungero chuanin day hi plural number ani a tero day ni chuanin I anma ni tina kha ani a mi pakhat chau soina ani lawa mi pakhat ai tam soina ani awangin verb khan is mang to lawin r kha kan mang to thung ani mo hei a verb hi a number zirin adang lam hi mo chu finite verb kan ti ho kha ani finite verb a chuan soinun leta ila a subject azir khan finite verb a chuan subject azir khanin verb kha andang lam thina engtiangin nge andang lam kan ti chuanin ama sambera chuan a tense azirin mo a tense azirin verb kha andang lam zel ani present tense a eat kha past tense a chuan ate ani a future tense ani chuan will eat ani thunganga tero chuanin apani na chuan a person azir khan first person nge ani a second person nge third person azir khan verb kha andang lam le chin boka tero first person a chuanin verb khan esmo es te kha kan bel ngai lawa and past tense po lo ni ta se SMO ES ka kan bel ngai lawa first person a chuanin I like ania third person singular number a chuan likes ania chuanin third person tho plural number ani chuan like kha lo ni vele thunga mo ni a person azir khan subject ka eng person nge ani azir khanin verb kha danglam da chin ni mo chu finite verb kan ti chu ani chuanin a pathum na chuanin a number azir khan subject ka eng number nge ani singular number nge ani a plural number azir khan verb kha lo danglam chin boka tro singular a chuan is emo past tense a was kan hmanga plural number a chuanin are emo present tense a are kan hmanga past tense a chuan were kan hmang thunga tro a number azir khanin verb kha danglam chin ani ho chu finite verb kan ti ho chu ani chuanin apani na chuan non finite verb a han kan kalanga non finite verb te chu finite verb ang lo khanin a subject azir khanin a in thak dang lam be chuang lo ani mo subject kha eng person po ni sila eng number po ni sila non finite verb kha chu ngai reng ani mo tin chung chu ba ka chuanin finite verb kha tense azir po khanin adang lam ngai lo ani present tense ปอนิสิลา past tense ปอนิสิลาfuture tense ปอนิสิลาfinite verb non finite verb ก็จูangai ring ani heta example hian enta ula he likes running in marathons kan tita tiro chuanin kha I like running in marathons helai running lai hi non finite verb lai chu ni helai hi finite verb lai hi chu a person is your kan dang lam ta tiro third person le first person is your kan finite verb lai hi chu likes le like lai hi chu dang lam ta amero chu non finite verb lai ta ka chu running hi tlan mek tina ka ani running lai hi non finite verb chu ani helai subject hi first person po ni sila third person po ni sila second person po ni sila helai non finite verb running lai hi chu ngai reng dang lam lo ni mo internet past tense po lo ni ta sila he liked po ni sila running ka chu langai reng ani he liked running in marathons khalan rengang I liked running in marathons running lai hi dang lam ve reng lo ni mo tense zerte a person zerte a number zerte khanin non finite verb ka chu handang lam ve ngai lo ni heta dang lo en le ta ila she is eating dinner kan lo ti ta tro emo she was eating dinner hey finite verb chu is le was an ni ta a tense azir khan andang lam halani tro she is kan ti chuanin present tense ania she was kan ti thungai ro chuan past tense ania helai finite verb lai hi chu a tense azir khan andang lam thina amai ro chu helai eating lai hi non finite verb kan ti lai taka chu ani ta helai past tense po eating ani thawa present tense po eating ani thawa mo future tense po ni sila eating khani thau don ani mo she will be eating dinner khani don thawani helai adang lam ve lo lai hi verb form ni si amai ro chu a tense azir te a person is irte a number is irte adang lam ve ngai lo dang lam ve ngai lo la ya kha non finite verb kan ti chu ani helta te po han en taila she has done her homework she had done her homework te po han en taila she has done her homework kan ti chuan has hi le het hi finite verb la ya kha ania present perfect tense chuan present tense chuan has ania past tense chuan het ania mo finite verb ania andang lam thin a tense azir khan amero chu helai dan lai hi verb form thawani tiro ti to ti na kha ania verb form thawani amero chu present tense po dan thawani past tense po dan thawani mo future tense po lang ta se she have done her homework dan kha dang lam ve reng lo ni mo khalai ta kha dang lam ve lo verb form ni si a tense azir te a number azir te a person azir te dang lam ve lo kha non finite verb kan ti chu ni thani nchiti amem tati po hanin ta ila running is a good habit katita running was a good habit past tense chuan running was a good habit lo ni present tense chuan running is a good habit ania finite verb is le was la ya kha chu adang lam ta ni mo as per tense kan adang lam ta amero chu heta non finite verb running la ya hi chu adang lam lo ani mo tense azir khan adang lam lo ani chu non finite verb chu a tense azir te a person azir te a number azir te adang lam ve ngai lo la ya kha non finite verb kan ti chu ani che thiam ngem ti khan voi khat kan soi non le chwa yanga finite verb kan ti chuan as per tense te as per person te as per number te dang lam thin verb dang lam thin kan thla dang lam thin hawa kha finite verb ani non finite verb chu a person azir te a tense azir te a number azir te dang lam lo pa ngai renga kha non finite verb kan ti chu ani ti chuanin an next kan kalanga tuna chuanin kan zir tur tak non-infinitive verb forms sawa khan kan lut to anga non-infinitive verb forms kan ti te kha chi thum ma kan chi thum kha kan zir don ani mo tuna chung how te chu entine non-infinitive verb forms chi thum kan zir tur te chu entine kan ti chuanin pakhat na chuan participles mo participles ani pakhat pani na chuanin gerunds kan neya pathum na chuan infinitives kan ti ho kha an oma participles le gerunds le infinitives ani chu chuan pakhat na chuanin participles kha kan en ma chaberanga participles kan ti chuanin participles how he participles ka chi thuma an chen chang le ani mo chung ti chu present participle te past participle te le perfect participle te an chen chang le amaro chu tun class 10b ka tan chuanin present participle le past participle chau kha kan en don ni perfect participle ka chu kina pol sang chu ka te la ziranga tun tan bi chuanin present participle le past participle ha kan zir dona chuanin present participle kan ti chuanin verb 1 plus ing kan ti chin hau kha mo internal running ti te eating ti te adang tam tak po manga tiro verb 1 plus ing kan ti chin hau kha present participle kan ti te chu ani chuanin tense kan zir lai kha han ngai thwa le wang ta ula subject plus is mr emo past tense chuanin was were emo future tense chuanin will be plus verb 1 plus ing kan plus object kan ti thwa dot chin hau kha mo formula kan zir lai kha in la sia anga khata verb 1 plus ing kan ti lai taka kha I present participle chu ani mo aming dang angani chu verb 1 plus ing kan ti china kha I asoi dan shan chu mo aming shan chu present participle an ti bok china I tense kan zir lai khala ngai to let ta ula mo tense kan zir lai ya formula kan zira continuous tense hawa mo present continuous tense te past continuous tense te future continuous tense te a formula a verb 1 plus ing kan ti chin hau kha present participle chu ani mo ma sabera chuanin ai heta po hanen ta ula I am studying for my exam present continuous tense ania tiro khata ati continuous tense chu tak verb 1 plus ing studying like a present participle ani mo heta past tense apo past continuous tense apo I was studying for my exam kan lo ta tiro was hi ati past tense chu ani ta chuan studying hi ati continuous tense tu kan ta tiro verb 1 plus ing kha hemi verb 1 plus ing la ya kha studying la ya kho present participle chu ani future tense apo I will be studying for my exam verb 1 plus ing la ya hi studying la ya hi present participle chu ani verb 1 plus ing ti a formula kan zir lai kan lo soi china kha present participle chu ani chuanin engating e non finite verb kha anni ti kha kan soi non le lokanga hai han en ula present tense apo past tense apo future tense apo studying kha anni reng ani tro andang lam lo ani verb form kha in thak dang lam lo ani past tense khan studied avani chuang lo mo studying kha lani reng thau so wang chuanin non finite verb a tense azirte a subject kha eng person nge eng number azir nge a dang lam lo thin kha anni awangin non finite verb annia chuanin present participle anni mo verb 1 plus ing kan ti hau kha anni awangin present participle anni ai a finite verb la chuan enta ula am te was te mo will te a tense zir khan andang lamani tro la ya kha chu finite verb la ya kha chu amero chu non finite verb la ya thung ero hi chu a tense azir khan andang lam lawa so wang chuanin non finite verb ti khan kan soi china chuanin a verb 1 plus ing la ya kha anni awangin present participle anni mo chu apakhat na chuanin present participle chu engatan nge kan man chin kan ti chuan present continuous tense te past continuous tense te future continuous tense te form nan khanin mo siam nan khanin kan mang chin ani verb 1 plus ing present continuous tense ati continuous tense tu mo verb 1 plus ing zel kami siam nan khanin present participle chu kan mang chin ani chuanin apani na chuanin present participle kha mahana tense kan zir la ya verb 1 plus ing kan ti chin continuous tense form na atana kan man ba ka khan man na dang pakhat kha le a chu adjective angin kan mang chin ani mo verb 1 plus ing thau kha ani amaro chu heta continuous tense siam na na mang lo khanin kan man na dang le pakhat chu adjective angin kan mang chin ani mo adjective chu enge kan ti chuanin noun emo pronoun soi fia tu kha ani tro adjective chu chuanin kha verb 1 plus ing kha noun emo pronoun emo soi fia tu adjective ang khan kan mang chin ani heta example hian en ta ula the running water is cold kan lo ti ta tro ta chuanin water hi noun ania tiro water hi thil ming ania chuanin chu water soi fia tu chu running kha ni ta ni tiro eng water nge tui luang lai nge ania tui luang lai lo mo tui vot nge ania tui lum nge ania tui luang lai nge ania tui luang lawa tui zema om mo ani water hi eng water nge ani ron soi fia tu kha adjective chu ania he water hi eng water nge ani kan ti chuanin running water ania tiro tui luang lai ania chu running hi adjective ani ti na ni chu mo helai noun water soi fia tu eng ang water nge ani ron soi fia tu ani awangin running hi adjective ania chuanin running hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti ang chi kha ani boka chu wang chuanin present participle thau kha ani mo verb 1 plus ing ania tin adjective ani boka noun soi fia tu adjective kha ani boka chu wang chuanin hei po hi running hi present participle ani mo ta po adot la lo en le ta ila the sleeping cat is beautiful kan ti chuanin he cat hi noun ani ta tro he noun cat hi soi fia tu chu eng ang cat nge ani mo cat har tak nge har tak nge zote mu hil mek nge ani ti soi fia tu kha mo sleeping hi ani eng ang cat nge ani he noun ron soi fia tu chu sleeping hi ani mo ani chuanin sleeping hi noun soi fia tu ani awangin adjective kan ti khalo ni ta ni tro chuanin he adjective hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti form ang khan oma sleeping ani tro sleep ni lawin sleeping ani chu wang chuan hei po hi present participle ani minute som pakwa minute som ni do nakal to ining to launing me la ula pui mo si chadeu khan da ngai sa sham sham la hi ke pu to kam to lu tu ka ken corridor tur to mo en po shom do me thea Marot so in law in sham-shamanga chuanin kan soi lai mek ka three types of non-infinitive verb forms how ka kan soya mo non-infinitive verb forms how ka chi thuma an chen le akan tia chuan chung chi thum jing ami apakhat na participles ka kan soi mek ka tro chuanin participles chu chi thuma an chen le akan tia chung te chu present participle te past participle te perfect participle te an chen le chuan amaro chu present participle le past participle chau kan en ri anga kan tia chuan present participle chu kan soi non le lokang present participle kha verb 1 plus ing kan ti chin ang hau ka an ni a chuan a man na kha chi ni awm ta ni a chi khat na chuanin continuous tense hau form nan khan mo present continuous tense te past continuous tense te future continuous tense siam nan khan kan hmang thin ani mo kha ma na tense in zir la ya present continuous tense is mr plus verb 1 plus ing kan ti china a verb 1 plus ing like present participle ni a past tense po was were plus verb 1 plus ing kan ti chin lai a verb 1 plus ing lai pok kha past present participle thawani mo chuan in future tense po will be plus will or shall be plus verb 1 plus ing kan ti a verb 1 plus ing like mo studying eating te ponyanga doing te pon me thea kami a verb 1 plus ing lai zel ka tense kan sir la ya present continuous tense te past continuous tense te future continuous tense te a verb 1 plus ing lai zel ka present participle chuan ni mo pakhat na chuan apan hi na chuanin verb 1 plus ing thau kha adjective anga man ani khanin present participle thau ni mo adjective chu noun emo pronoun emo soifia tu kan tia the running water kan ti chuanin he water he tui he water run soifia tu chu running hi ania tiro eng ang water nge ani run soifia tu kha running water ani zar run soifia tu kha helai running hi ania chuan he running hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti thau kha ani wangin present participle ani mo the sleeping cat kan tia te po sleeping hi hemi noun cat run soifia tu eng ang cat nge ani run shilfia tu chu sleeping hi ania tiro chuan he sleeping hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti thau kha ani wangin he po hi present participle ani mo adang tam tak po om thayang chu ta verb run soifia tu kha verb 1 plus ing kan ti chin hau kha ani chuanin noun run soifia tu hau kha noun emo pronoun run soifia tu kha verb 1 plus ing kan ti chin kha hau kha ani chuan present participle ani chi thiam ang chu mo chuanin participles apani na chu past participles kan ti hau kha ani ta chuanin past participle thung ero hi chu verb zo mo tan jak pel lokila verb zo verb zo verb o ka pen hi kala verb 1 plus atang puin ed emo en kana top china tiro third form of the verb kan ti hau kha mo verb 3 kan ti chin hau kha nyang chu all samdan chuan third form of the verb kan ti chin hau kha past participles kan ti chu ania mo aman na law soi le taila past participle chu amasa bera chuanin amasa so ka chuanin present perfect tense emo past perfect tense emo future perfect tense siam nan khan kan mang thina ni mo heta po yanin tense kan zir lai kha lo ngai toilet le ta ula present tense chuan subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object kan ti china tiro khata a third form la ya kha mo verb 3 v3 kan ti chin la ya kha past participle su ani mo chuan past perfect tense po subject plus had plus third form of the verb kan ti a third form of verb third form la ya kha past participle ania then future perfect tense po subject plus will have or shall have plus third form of the verb kan ti a third form la ya kha past participle su ani mo chumi omsia chu past participle man na masa jok chu present perfect tense emo past perfect tense emo future perfect tense kan siama a third form a verb third form la ya kha mo kha past participle su ani mo ta example han enta ila I have eaten breakfast kan ti chuanin eaten lai hi mo subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb lai ka mo eaten lai ka past participle su ani then past tense po I had eaten subject plus had plus third form of the verb mo a third form lai ka third form of the verb condition la ka past participle su ani future tense po lo enta ila future perfect tense I will or shall have eaten mo subject plus will or shall have plus third form of the verb la ka mo v3 condition ka kami la ka past participle su ani that I have done my homework te pok kan ti chin kha kata adan la ya kha a third form of the verb lies ela kha past participles chu ani chu apakat na past participles man na pakat na ani a chuan man na dang kha present participles ang thau khan om le a chu adjective ang thau khan ani past participles third form of the verb kan ti chin kha I adjective ang man ani khanin adjective ang khanin man ani thei poka ita lo en ta ila the broken toy was thrown away kan ti hianin helai toy hi naw na nya tro he naw run chil fia chu eng ang toy nge ani I kha in no pang in fiam na man ruwa kha no pang toy sakha eng ang toy nge ani ti run chil fia chu broken hi anya tro toy cheto broken toy he adjective ani ya tro chuan he adjective hi third form of the verb kan ti khani ta ni broken kha third form of the verb kan ti chin kha ani a chu wang chuan he past participle ani adjective ani a tin third form of the verb v3 kan ti chin ang kha ani boka chu wang chuan in past participles ani so dang lo in le ta ila the written exam was difficult kan ti han exam hi naw na nya tro exam hi naw ani a chuan he naw run shil fia tu eng exam nge eng exam nge ani run shil fia tu chu written hi ania tro chuan he written hi third form of the verb kan ti ang chi thau kha ani a write wrote written chu wang chuan in past participles ni he po hi chuan in dang lo in le ta ila the painted portrait was beautiful kan ti hianin portrait hi naw na nya tro tilming portrait kha naw na ni a chuan he naw hi eng he portrait hi eng ang portrait nge ani kan ti chuan painted portrait ani naw run shil fia tu kha he adjective ani ta tiro chuan he adjective hi third form of the verb kan ti thau kha ani painted hi third form of the verb kan ti thau kha ani a chumi ni wang chuan in past participles ani he po hi chuin che thiamem v3 kan ti ho third form of the verb kan ti ho kha adjective anga man ani khan noun emo pronoun shil fia tu atan man ani khanin past participle ani soino le lokang past participle kan ti chuan in third form of the verb kan ti chin kan zir nge tense kan zir la ya verb 1 verb 2 verb 3 kan zir three na tro khata third form of the verb verb 3 hawa kha past participles kan ti chuan ani a chuan aman na chi ni te chu pakhat na chuan in present perfect tense te past perfect tense te future perfect tense te siam nan khan kan mang thin ani present perfect tense a chuan in has or have plus third form of the verb kan ti a third form like ha past perfect tense a po had plus third form of the verb kan ti a third form like ha then future tense a po will or shall have plus third form of the verb kan ti a third form like ze lakha past participle man na chu ani chuan apani na chuan in kha third form of the verb kha adjective anga man ani chuan in past participle thawani the broken toy was thrown away kan ti chuan in he noun toy run shil fia tu chu broken hi ania noun shil fia tu ani awangin adjective ania chuan he adjective hi third form a awm awangin v3 kan ti form a awm awang khanin past participle ani chi thiamang chu chi thiam tur anga yang an hong pera chuan in gerunds ani lo apani na chuan in gerunds kha kan soyanga non infinitive verb forms a apani in chu pakhat ni chu participles kha ni ta dro apani in chu gerunds kha ania gerunds kha kan soi le anga chuan in gerunds kan ti po hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti form om ho thau kha ni verb 1 plus ing running eating doing khang ho thau kha gerunds kha ania chuan in gerunds te hi verb form ani a verb form thaw ani a amaro chu verb ang khan kan mang lawani noun ang khan kan mang thin zo kani verb form ani a amaro chu verb ang mang lawin noun angin kan mang thin ni chu chuan in verb 1 plus ing kan ti ang thau kha ani atop na kha ing in atop thin ni chu chuan in gerunds kan ti ho hi subject sentence khan subject angin kan mang thaya complements angin kan mang thei boka tin object ang pu in kan mang thei ani subject te complement te object te kha chuin che to atra verb 1 plus ing kan ti kha verb ang mang lawin noun angin kan manga chuan in achang chuan sentence khan subject din hun te po an ron lo a tin achang chuan object din hun te po kha an ron lo a ya chu tiang chu ania heta example hian en leta ila singing is my favorite hobby kan lo ti ta a tiro chuan heta hian in singing hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti ang kha lo ni ta tiro chuan in he singing hi verb angin kan mang lawa verb chu thil ti ani ta tiro action kha ani ta a she is singing lo ti ta ila kanu kha azai mek thu kha kan soita a singing kha thil ti soinan action soinan kan mangani tiro she is singing kan ti chuan maru chu heta chuan in singing is my favorite hobby kan ti chuan zai hi enge ka hobby ka til chin chan ngai nat berani ka til ka hobby นวมติเบรนีกันไงนัดเบรนีติค่ะกันเราสวยตาเฮ็ดอาหันใจฮิสินินฮิอีทิลติแอคชั่นสวยนานกันมังละวะนาวนังกันมังโซกันนี่ตรอทิลไงนัดซงอีขมิมิงสวยนานกันสินินฮิกันมันวางอินนาวอันนี้chuanin i he noun hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti form khan om poka tin he sentence a hian subject din hun ron lo a tiro chuan singing hi gerund kan ti khan ta ni mo singing ti hi verb form ata na kan man thin thau kha ani a ma se he sentence a hianin verb anga mang lawa noun anga kan man awangin mo noun anga kan man awang khanin gerund sani chuan heta po han en le taila I love eating pizza kan lo ta a tiro heta hian eating hi verb ta po han verb angin kan mang lawa thil ti soinan kan mang lawa noun angin kan mang thunga tiro chuwang chuanin heta po hianin eating hi gerund ani pizza hi pizza kha angai na ani mo hemi aron soi tu hian pizza kha angai na ja thu kha aron soi ta a chumi ni wang chuan pizza mek thu emo mo kha aron soi lawa pizza kha angai na thu aron soi chu wang chuan heta hian athil ti soinan ni lo athil ngai na soinan aron hmana wangin mo noun soinan noun angin aron mang ta a chu wang chuanin hei po hi gerund ani chuan heta po lo in le ta ila Brian was tired of waiting kan lo ta ro Brian a khanin mi nga kha aning em ani mo Brian a khanin lo nga reng mai kha lo nga tlok mai kha aning ta a chuan waiting hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti form khan lo ma ro chuan waiting kan ti hi verb form kan man thin kha ani a ama ru cheta chuanin verb form a verb anga mang lawin mo Brian a thil ti mek soina na mang lawin Brian na athil nin em thil soinan khan kan mang ta ni mo noun angin kan mang ani chu ja chuan chumi ni wang chuanin hei po hi waiting verb form hi noun angin kan manga tin verb 1 plus ing form khan lo pok awangin gerund ani hei po hi mo pakhat lo en le ta ila Jasmine likes sitting under the tree Jasmine khanin thing hnuaia thut kha nuam ti em a tiro thing hnuaia thut kha adu a heta po han sitting hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti ang form khan alo oma chuanin Jasmine hi thing hnuaia thut mek thu emo Jasmine thil ti soinan kan mang lawa Jasmine na athil nuam ti mo athil du zong soinan mo noun angin ani chu kan hmana wangin sitting hi action soinan kan mang lawa hi ama ero chu mi na athil ngai na zong athil nuam ti zong soinan kan hman ani awangin verb form si kan noun angin kan lo manga tin chu verb form noun ang kan man chu verb 1 plus ing ti form a oma wang khan gerund kha lo ni ta ni gerund chu soinan le lok tai lo gerund chu verb 1 plus ing form thau kha ani a chuanin verb form ni se khanin verb angin a function ngai lawa noun angin a function thung chin ani chu wang chuanin heta po singing is my favorite hobby kan ti hian singing hi verb 1 plus ing kan ti ang chi form khan oma chuanin singing khu verb ang action soinan kan mang lawa thil ti soinan kan mang lawa noun anga kan hmana wangin mo zai hi katil ngai na zong takani ti kan soi chuan zai kha ka zai mek kan ti lawa tiro action angin kan soi lawa amiro choi athil ngai na zong thil ming soinan anga kan hmana wang khanin gerund chu lo ni ta ni hei adang lo en le ta ila in la tham lo ta kin cooking is my hobby kan ti po in internan verb ang chu ni don ta se he is cooking food emo he cooks food kan ti kha ngai ta a tiro cho achum mek mo thil ti soina na kan man don chuan cho achum mek ti emo cho achum ti kan soi chuan thil ti kan soi ta verb angin kan mang ani tiro amaro chu cooking is my hobby kan ti thung ero chuan rung bol hi mo rung bol hi ka hobby ani kan ti ta a tiro rung bol kha kan thil ti soinan kan mang lawa kan thil nuam ti zong noun soina khan kan mang ani moi ta hian cooking hi chuan he cooking hi noun angin kan manga chuan chu noun anga kan man chu verb 1 plus ing ti form a awang khanin gerunds kan ti kha lo ni ta ni chuanin thil pakhat har satna lo om thei ta chu present participle le gerunds kha verb 1 plus ing form ve khan lo om ta tiro chuan apani khanin shall chan har kha in lo ti me te verb 1 plus ing ve an ni sia gerunds nge ani anga present participle ani zo kha in lo shang lo pal the ni mo chu ta chuanin in sha chan theina tur chu na che na kan soi to angin present participle kha chu lo nge present continuous tense te past continuous tense te future continuous tense te ati continuous tense tu verb 1 plus ing anga kan man chin kha present participle chu ania tin chu ba ka chuanin verb 1 plus ing ve kha adjective noun soi fia tu noun and pronoun soi fia tu anga kan man khan sleeping cat te po kan ti kha mo cooking oil te po anga khami soifia tu anga kan man khanin present participle chu ania amir chu gerunds chung ro chu I verb 1 plus ing kha I verb form how thawa kha verb anga manglawa noun anga thilming soina anga kan man khan mo thilti soina atana manglawa thilming soina atan anga kan man khanin gerunds chu ni thungani heta hian lo enta ila insha chan theini turin swimming ducks are fun to watch kan ti ta ro heta hian ducks hi noun ani a he ducks hi eng ducks nge ani ron soifia tu chu swimming ducks mo ducks farak tui cheng me ka te kha ron soita a tiro he ducks noun ron soifia tu chu swimming hi ani a swimming hi adjective ani a verb 1 plus ing ani boka adjective kha verb 1 plus ing ni chuanin present participle ani kan tia tiro chu ti ni chuan heta han swimming hi gerunds ni lawin present participle ani ti kha kan che theita ni tiro adjective ani wangin chuan apani na lo enta leta ila the kids are swimming in the pool kan ti ta a hi a sentence structure hi enta ila the kids is subject ani tiro are khu ni auxiliary verb kan ti angka finite verb so ka ani ta a tiro chuanin subject plus is mr plus mo verb 1 plus ing plus object kha kan mutani tiro hi sentence a hian subject plus was or is mr plus verb 1 plus ing plus object kha la umta subject plus is mr plus verb 1 plus ing ni chuanin a verb 1 plus ing like chu present participle ani kan tia tiro hemi apani na po hi a hian swimming hi present participle ani ti kha kan che theita ni tiro chuanin apathum na kulo en leta ila swimming is a good exercise kan ti ta a heta hianin swimming hi verb angin kan mang em han en bangwang ta ula swimming khu verb angin kan mang lawa tiro thil ti soinan kan mang lawa tu emo in tu ya cheng ani ti soinan khan kan mang lawa ni mo pakhat na chuan han en leta ula adjective ani em han en ta ula swimming khuanin eng naun ma a shel fia lawa tiro chuwang chuan adjective po ani lawa tin han en leta ula sentence structure ku subject plus is mr emo was were emo plus verb 1 plus ing ang si kha ani em han en ta ula ani lawa tiro chuwang chuanin hi gerunds ani ti kan che theita ni tiro swimming hi verb anga mang lawin noun angin kan manga tin adjective ani lo boka tin present continuous tense ani lo boka present continuous tense a verb 1 plus ing a kan manang chin kha ani lo boka chuwang chuanin gerunds ani ti kha in lo che theita ni tiro in che tiamang em alai te kha kan soi boy de wem ka shelawa in che tiam tur ngai po dila in le sha tiam lo chuanin class a emo WhatsApp te po in kalai te kha ka che thiam lawa ti kha min zot non le anga mo kan in chilfia chali don nya chuanin ti khanin non infinitive verb form sawa chuanin participles le gerunds kha kan soi chauta a tiro apathum na infinitives che kha soi tur kan nei to infinitives chu all lawa chuan infinitives po hi chinia a chen theya chu infinitive le bare infinitive sa kan chen theya mo amei ro chu tun in class 10 syllabus a hian chu infinitive big kha aron da awangin chu infinitive chau kha kan soi ri dona bare infinitives kha chu kan soi ri don lawani tin har lawa thiam sa te po in lo chat sa te po ani mai thei boka chuanin chu infinitive kan ti ho chu enge kan ti chuanin verb a base form mo a first form of the verb ma khanin chu a khanin chu infinitive kan ti chu lo ni ta ni chu kha verb ma akan da khanin chu infinitive kan ti chu lo ni ta ni chu like example hen in taila she reads to gain knowledge she reads reads a main verb ania tiro heta hianin chu gain mo gain po hi verb thawani a he verb ma hianin chu hi laum ta a tiro chu gain knowledge verb ma a verb a base form ma a first form of the verb ma a chu kan da khan chu infinitive kan ti chu lam ni ta ni chu infinitive a hian shat tur chu verb kha verb ang khan kan mang lo ve thina ni mo chang chuan verb ang te po in kan mang tawa chang chuanin noun ang te adjective ang te adverb ang te po in kan manga atlang puin adverb angin kan mang thina ni infinitive a hianin verb form ni thau kha null puin adverb ang khan kan mang tlang pui thina ni chu ta puan en ta ula she reads to gain knowledge mo eng turin nge achiar kan ti chuanin knowledge gain turin mo knowledge nei bel turin knowledge zau jok nei thei tur khanin ani lekha kha achiar thina ni mo azir thina ni chuanin gain verb form first form of the verb ma hian chu kha lom ta tiro chu bang chuan chu infinitive kan ti kha lo ni ta ni chu apani na lo en le taila I hate to admit that I am wrong kan tia chuan admit hi verb base form ค่ะแล้วนี่จูมีมาจนจูออกมาที่เราจะฟังจวนจู infinitive กันดีค่ะแล้วนี่เลยจะตานี่จูดังเราเอ็นเลยละ the customer wanted to speak to the manager กันดีspeak for he speak จูจงตีเตเบียโมหิตาจนเบียตีนะอังการกันฟังตาที่เราค่ะ customer ค่ะนิน manager ค่ะเบียกันดูตาที่เรา manager เนี่ยนะตีดุนค่ะเราดูตาspeak จูเนี่ย verb form ที่ติดสวยน่ากันมันชินค่ะอันนี้จู verb form มาจนจูค่ะเราอมตาจูฟังจวนนินจู infinitive กันดีค่ะแล้วนี่ตานี่ฮัลโหลตัวเราให้จูมันจะแถมงานตัวละง่ายตาอีละที่ค่ะนิน non infinitive verb form กันเจอตัวจริงเขาจูกันเจอเจ้าตาใช้แถมเราเตอินในจวนนินเราโจตังมีเราโจนนั่นเลยมันจะน่าค่ะนินกันสวยต้นเจแล้วกันเจอโจค่ะนินสวยต้นง่ายตัวเราตัวละง่ายละใช้แถมเรา